All right, today we're gonna bring a modern sconce, and you get two of them, not just one. You get two. You're gonna require a regular light bulb. This is a 60 watts maximum that you can go on the actual light bulb of watts. All right. You're gonna remove the back end with the two screws on the sides, and then you tie this up, and then you just center it up, and you're ready to go. But this is an outdoor graded. We're gonna set it up today and see how it works. It's black matted. It's 4.4 width and 7.5 in height. So we're gonna set this up today and see how beautiful it looks at night. All right, here's the final product. We just set it up, but if you guys are looking for this nice beautiful scone for your entrances, it lights up the entire area down here. This is a 60 watt one, and you can't see the top of it, but you can see the bottom of it. Beautiful. So for your entrance of your garage, your patio, remember, so it's outdoor graded. It's not submergible, just outdoor graded.